This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp.
Yep. Go ahead.
How do you define accessibility testing?
So it is actually it's a government law for many government application, actually for all application, but it's strictly for the government, banking, and the large. So the user, when we access functionality on the website, it's an example. I'm giving an example. The forget password, right? There is two ways you can build accessibility. One is once you type a wrong password, underneath your input, it says password is wrong. That's the one approach. User can see it. Accessibility, on the other hand, once you type the wrong password, it gives a notification or it gives an alert message. You are typing the wrong password. Please retry again. So this alert you are giving the people who cannot see, or they only based on the hearing, the sound. That's exactly the accessibility. So this is an example, but that's the similar. The way you are engaging, people are disabled, people cannot see it, people cannot hear it. So you have to build your website app, the functionality in a way that anyone and everyone can understand.